is a huge loss, not only for CPM, but for the entire communist left movement in our country. He was one of the outstanding leaders of the communist movement in the contemporary period of our country. And he was a great orator, prolific writer. He was an ideologue, intellectual. He was an able parliamentarian. Both of us used to coordinate in order to articulate the concerns of the people in Parliament. Today, we lost him.
His going away is a loss to the ideological journey of his own party and the country's politics also. I think it won't be an exaggeration if we say that he was a conscience keeper of sort for Indian politics. May he travel well. He'll be missed. He'll be missed by all of us. He's a thorough gentleman. He had unwavering conviction, and the value system which Mr. Yechuri followed will always remind the generations to come of how to conduct oneself in the rough and tumble of Indian politics.
It breaks our heart. A few weeks back, met him, full of energy, commitment, as always. Comrade Sitaram Yechuri, full of ideas. What next, Manoj? What should we do? There are vacuums created by each death, but it's very difficult to even imagine filling in the vacuum caused by Comrade Yechuri's demise. Contemporary politics, contemporary history of India of last 3-4 decades is unimaginable. You can't imagine that without Comrade Sitaram Yechuri. It's difficult to have another Comrade Yechuri. What should I say? Still unbelievable. Lal Salam, Comrade. Lal Salam.
हमारे साथ वो रहे, यूपीए 1 में रहे और मतभेद भी हुए, लेकिन सीताराम जी ऐसे एक शख्स थे कि कभी वो गुस्सा नहीं करते थे किसी बात पे, और हमेशा बातचीत कहते थे, बातचीत से मसले सुलझाते हैं। मैं आपको बताऊं कि जब वो उठ के पार्लियामेंट में बोलते थे तो लोग उनको पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस में सुनते थे। He mesmerized us with his interventions in debates. He had in-depth knowledge of issues that are confronting this country. And जो भी कहें, हिंदुस्तान में आपको थोड़े ही ऐसे शख्स मिलेंगे जिनके रग रग में सेक्युलरिज्म बहता हो। And that is what Sitaram Yechuri was. It's a loss for me, it's a loss, a great loss to the nation. He was a great son of India. And जो भी हम कहें लेफ्ट पार्टीज के बारे में, बात तो ये है कि वो हमेशा गरीबों के साथ खड़े रहे, हमेशा वंचित लोगों के साथ, SC STs के साथ, माइनॉरिटीज के साथ। वो इसमें कोई राजनीति नहीं करते, चाहे वो चुनाव जीते या चुनाव हारे। ये इनकी खासियत है। और मैं आपको एक बात दिल से भी कहना चाहता हूं कि लेफ्ट पार्टी ऐसी पार्टी है जिनके दिल के में धड़कन है, जो वाकई में, हालांकि हमारी नीतियां उनसे अलग हो सकती हैं, लेकिन देश के बारे में सोचते हैं। और सीताराम जी वो द सिंबल होता है।